that was like, when you rolled into it, it felt like I was floating. You didn't roll into it. So what's your name real quick and equipment? Robby? Okay.
ACB 515s on 2 salt 12 gauges, 4th order, 3-to-1.
You used to have 5s.
Yeah, I used to have.
I remember.
415s.
Yeah.
I did a direct swap.
Did you gain, or how do you like the difference going from 5 to Sundown on these?
They're more efficient. Okay. They don't need as much power.
Correct. Yep. This is a 3-inch coil, right? Are these 3?
Yeah. Coil.
Yeah. Awesome. Is the back open?
Yeah,
okay. Oh, wow.
I need 2 more. She won't let me. She's gonna kill me.
Yeah. I wouldn't.
You gotta buy me a house first.
I might switch to the 30K. Yeah.
30Ks?
I had one 30K, but I blew it at 0.35. But now they're at 0.7 right now. They are.
These?
No, yeah, these are at 0.7.
Wow. This is some nice amps. Thanks, Rob.
Yeah, no problem.
Wow, that was. Whew.
When are you gonna redo yours?
Wow.
For the streets and ladies screaming in the scenes.
They're not anywhere close to it.
It's DJ Rustic.
Really musical, dude. It doesn't slope off anywhere, really.
It's got a 3 dB drop between after 27. Peaks at 27 right now.
Okay.
Below that, it drops off 3 dB. 2 hertz below that. 2 hertz above that, 3 dB.
Yep. That's how big ratios work, right?
It's a 3-to-1.
Yep.
I'm gonna shrink my. I've got 700 cubic inches of port right now. I need to shrink it down to about 500.
Okay.
It'll give me more bandwidth, but it won't be as loud.
Yeah. Wow.
I got one more for you. Yeah. But yeah, it peaks at 27 hertz when the window is down right now.
Okay.
So, but it does it. It rolls off on the highs.
Yeah.
Me no conversation with the feed. That marker, all my bitches independent bitch. That marker, I just want the flavor. That marker, all my bitches flavor. That marker, that marker, that marker, that marker. That marker.
When you rolled into it, it felt like I was floating. You didn't roll into it. Dude, I appreciate the demo.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, man. That was crazy.
Yeah. You got the best one of the day.
I
for
appreciate
sure.
it, Raul. Holy smokes. Thank you.
Yeah.
It made me feel like I was flying.
Yeah. It's gonna be louder.
It is? What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.